Hello, good evening. How are we all doing? It's food reveal time. So what do I have today? Right, let's show you what I've got. Okay, got a little bag of goodies here. So, right, what's in this one? So we've got onion rings in there. So we've got some onion rings. We should have some chips in this one. Yep, we've got some fries in there. Okay, right, let's just try them, shall we, first? Okay, and then we can get to the other bits. Let's try the onion rings, shall we? So, okay, these are the onion rings. Nice and hot. Very, very nice. Nice onion rings. They are what they are. Very, very nice. I'm going to say 10 out of 10. As I say, they're fresh, freshly cooked. Banging. Yummy, yummy, yummy. As you can see, Sammy's there. Always here with his food around. Always. Right, let's try these chips, shall we? Nice crunchy chips. Just how I like my chips. Very, very nice. They're not as good as my chips though. My chips are more crunchy, but still very, very nice. I'm going to give the chips a 9 out of 10 because obviously mine are the best ones. Okay. And then we have this. Okay, let's have a look what this is. Okay, so I ordered myself a halloumi kebab. Whoops. Right. Let me just sort this out. Okay, here we go. So there is a halloumi kebab. Look at that. So it looks absolutely delicious, doesn't it? So we've got obviously bits of halloumi. We've got some grilled peppers, onions, grilled onions, mushrooms in there. Around the side here, you've got fresh cucumber, lettuce, tomato, cabbage, yeah, and onions and all that. Let's give it a go, shall we? Let me just put this little sauce on here. Tiny little sauce. You think they'd give you a big old bit of sauce, but there we go. Oh, they've already put some sauce on my kebab, actually. Right. Let's get me fork. Okay, let's try. I quite like these. Very pickly, them. Nice. Okay, let's try some of the salad. Okay, nice bit of tomato. It's got a nice dressing on the salad, which is nice. I hate dry salad. It's nice when they put like a nice dressing over them. Let's try some of the cucumber. Okay, let's try the peppers. Very, very nice. Bit of the fried onion. Mushrooms. Most importantly, the halloumi. Okay, let's get some of this. Very, very nice halloumi. Cooked to perfection as well. This was £8. This was £7.99 or whatever it was. That is really nice. Really, really nice. 10 out of 10 for the kebab. Really, really good. Nice fresh salad. The halloumi is cooked to perfection. Nice fried onions, nice fried mushrooms. the fried peppers, or grilled peppers, whatever you call them. Very, very nice. Really enjoying that. I'm going to really enjoy finishing that off. And we've got some Fanta, pineapple and grapefruit. Now, I always find this is not the same as Lilt. I find it's a slight taste difference. Don't know. Excuse me, 8 out of 10 for the bag. Not as good as normal, but yeah, I find it's got a little slight taste difference to the normal Lilt. I found Lilt had a bit more. I don't know, the taste was a bit more there, but yeah, I'm gonna give it 8 out of 10 for the drink as well. I prefer the old Lilt, to be fair. Sorry, Fanta, but it's not the same as it used to be. There we go. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my food. Hope you enjoy the review. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.